Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So excited because today I have received another parcel and I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply magnetic lashes using the Lesa lashes. I've known Lesa for a very long time. Me and my sister were good friends with her daughter Shayla back in the day, back in primary school. Really excited for her and her new journey with a lash company because her lashes are absolutely, they're so good. I have already created a look using the mimosa lashes. I'll pop the photo up here for you guys so you can have a look. This is the parcel right here. Very excited to share with you guys. When she told me that she was going to be sending me some lashes, I was expecting about like, you know, 4 or 5, but I got like a whole bunch in here. Comes in a really cool red and gold case. So this case here, obviously it's a lot bigger than the others. That's because it's kind of a kit. Comes with 2 pairs of lashes and tweezers at the bottom to apply them with and some spare glue. I'm going to show you guys how to apply one on just for today, just so it's easy for all my beginners out there to understand and anyone else who's just like wondering how to apply magnetic lashes. Just a little bit of background about this company. So the owner, Lesa herself, was suffering from thyroid disease, and unfortunately a side effect of that happened to be eyelashes and eyebrow hair thinning out slightly. So she started getting lash extensions, and if you've ever had lash extensions before, you know that once they fall out they literally take your natural lash hairs out as well. So no go for lash extensions. I don't like them myself personally. So yeah, she eventually wanted to make her own custom lashes, and that's when she came up with the idea of magnetic lashes. And yeah, it's been a game changer for her ever since, and I feel like for anyone else out there who has tried magnetic lashes probably can agree with that. I personally quite like the look of magnetic lashes. What I like about magnetic lashes is that across the band here, it's actually a magnetic strip as well, so you can actually reuse magnetic lashes for as long as you want, and it'll keep the lash shape in place all the time. So yeah, that's why I like them. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my magnetic lashes. Now there's no right or wrong way, this is just how I personally do them because I feel like it's the easiest way to do them, if I'm going to be honest. So as you guys can see already, I already have applied a liner. So I just use the Huda Beauty Life Liner. This is literally my go-to, and obviously as you already know if you've been watching my channel for long enough, you know I like the Size Up Mascara by Sephora. Now the reason why I like to do my liquid liner first is because with liquid liners for magnetic lashes, they do tend to be quite runny. However, the Lesa one, I'm actually quite surprised. This one is quite thick. With some brands that I've used in the past, you actually have to apply like 2 to 3 layers of liner just so that the lashes definitely stick on. However, with this one, the glue is quite thick. You only need to apply it once and it's good to go. As you can see, the brush at the end can be a little bit thick. If you're not a pro like me, it can be a bit tricky. So that's why I like to apply my liner first, use it as a guide just so I know where to put the magnetic liner. So now I'm just going to apply the magnetic liner, and all I'm going to do is literally just follow the shape that I've already got. And it doesn't matter if you get it on your lashes because they're going to be covered up anyway with your beautiful false lashes, so don't worry about that. I don't go all the way to the tip, but I just make sure that I've got a little bit of magnetic glue on there, just because when I put false lashes on I tend to lift the end part up here just so it kind of like arches my eye a bit, you know, and that's literally it. So now we're just going to let that dry, and while that's drying I'm going to pop some liner on my other eye. The magnetic liner is on. It should be somewhat dry now, and you don't have to leave it for like 10 minutes to dry. As long as it's just tacky, about a minute or so, it's good to go. I am going to be going in with these lashes here. I have a very natural makeup, well, not natural, but you know, very everyday, simple glam, and these are probably the most natural looking ones out of all the full glam lashes that I was sent. When taking your lashes out of the case, you don't want to rip it straight from the middle because then you can actually damage the lash itself. So what you want to do is just grab your finger and then just gently pull it away from the magnet. Whenever using new lashes, I kind of just like to put it up to my eye, measure it out, make sure that it's the right shape, make sure that it's long enough for my eyelid. If it is a little bit longer than your natural eye shape, all you gotta do is just trim it off using scissors. Pretty straightforward. Now we're gonna apply them on. The set does come with tweezers, however I quite like to use my fingers personally just because I feel like it's a little bit easier than the tweezers. Just pinch the lash together like so, and then you're just going to drop it. So just drop it in the middle. It looks a little bit weird right now, obviously. And then once you've done that, just take each of the edges and just put them on the liner. That is the first lash on. Now we're going to do our second lash. So gently pull away the lash from the band. Measure up with the eye if you need to, but if you're okay with the length of the lash, don't worry about trimming it. And now all you're going to do is just place it just in the middle. And now we're going to tidy up our edges. So making sure that you're just fiddling around with the edge into the correct placement that you're wanting. And yeah, and then that's them stuck on. The good thing is that you don't have to worry about your lashes falling off throughout the night because these honestly stay on. That is how I apply my lashes, magnetic or not. That's how I apply them. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was straightforward enough for you guys to understand. I like how these ones are looking. Good for every day. They kind of just look like my natural lashes, but just with a bit more oomph to it, you know? Not only does this style of lash suit my current makeup look, so they also feel very light. I don't feel any irritation. They're not scratching my eyes. They just feel like my normal lashes, and that's exactly how I like them to feel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two in this tutorial on how to apply magnetic lashes, even just lashes in general. I hope I was able to help. If you do want to buy your own pair of Lesa Marie lashes, I'll link all her socials in the bottom below. Otherwise, take a quick screenshot of that. If you guys want a little diddly discount, use the code IMOGEN10 for 10% off when you check out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video around as usual, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!